Are you missing precious photos in formats like this? Or this? Or these? Hi, I'm Reco from RecoveryFox AI. If your photos are gone from your SD card due to accidental deletion or formatting, don't panic. You still have a great chance to get them back. The key is to act fast and use a reliable data recovery tool. That's where RecoveryFox AI comes in. Powered by advanced AI algorithms, RecoveryFox AI can accurately identify and restore a wide range of image formats from scattered data fragments, whether they're on hard drives, USB sticks, or SD cards. Recovered images are automatically categorized by type for faster searching and easier browsing. In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted photos from an SD card using RecoveryFox AI. Now let's see how it works. First, download and install the tool from our official website. You'll also find the download link in the video description. Remember, do not download or run recovery software on the affected drive, as this may overwrite your data and make recovery impossible. Insert your SD card into a card reader and connect it to your computer. RecoveryFox AI currently supports devices using the NTFS, exFAT, and FAT32 file systems. Launch RecoveryFox AI, and you should see your inserted device listed, if its file system is supported. Click it to start scanning. RecoveryFox AI scans in 2 stages. The quick scan retrieves recently lost files. If you haven't written new data since losing your photos, your recovery rate can be close to 100%. Best of all, scan mode has no format limit, so you can recover not just photos, but all kinds of files. Once quick scan finishes, the AI scan automatically kicks in. This mode is designed for a deeper, more thorough search. It's ideal for recovering long deleted or partially overwritten files. You can pause the AI scan anytime. Once the scan is paused or done, you can view results under the File Path and File Type tabs. Select a file to preview. Or click Recover to restore it. When choosing the output folder, pick a location different from the drive where your lost photos were stored. And that's it, your deleted photos are back. Super easy and highly effective. By the way, RecoveryFox AI supports preview before recovery, so you can scan and preview files before deciding on a subscription. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart data recovery tips with RecoveryFox AI. I'm Reco. See you in the next video.